Just like the glass slipper that opened up a whole new world of possibilities for Cinderella, the Cinderella Solution is assured to help you get a toned and sexy body that is desired by all men. Inside the Cinderella Solution, you'll find lots of delish smoothie and meal plans. Today, we at therealreviews.com are going to experiment with one of those smoothies. They're very much customizable. Ingredients you'll need are half scoop protein powder, 15 grams or 1 ounce, 1 tablespoon avocado, 1 teaspoon coconut oil, 1 cup almond milk, 6 mint leaves, half cup diced cucumber, half lime, juice squeezed, and stevia to taste.